Here it is. It has arrived. The DXSP 19681B bare tool. Okay. That's the box. And here is the actual box. And then here's some information. 90 max PSI, 0.6 gallons per minute. Look at that backpack. Nice. Batteries sold separately. I have those. And you got the different size batteries that are compatible. Okay. So I think I have a 6 or 8 amp hour. Let's see. So we got priming instructions. Okay, I'll look at those. Okay, so we'll go through that. Priming it with water. Here's the here's some tips for it. Instruction manual. Here's actual tool. Okay. What else is in the box? This. All right, that's important. Here's your handle. Here's your switch to leave it on. So it's a belt buckle there. And actually, yes. No, just the one buckle here. Not a super heavy amount of padding, but I mean, right now I have nothing in the Roundup sprayer. Mind you, this is like 4 times the cost, and that one's a manual as well. So here's the controls, 1 to 10 for different gallons per minute on-off switch. And you got your battery checking, and the battery is probably here. Battery goes here. Oh yeah, slides in upside down. Let me grab that. Got the 8 amp hour battery in there. There's tons of room to spare, so you can take bigger batteries. That's good. I also have aftermarket batteries, and well, the same voltage I can try out later. So you can put your one in here. There's a holder for, I believe, this here. Maybe not. I don't know what that's for. This probably goes here. Power's on. Just detects there's no water. Pretty solid build. I don't know if you'll be able to see through here. There's a gauge here, but I don't know if this will let you see through it or not. I'm not sure. Let's see inside. Okay, you got a particle filter. They got another, it looks like another filter down there. And I think that's what you prime with, if I'm not mistaken. This is the manual priming instructions using that. Remove all liquid. Yeah, cylindrical filter. Okay. And there's probably another filter in line somewhere here. Yes, it says filter. Let me just unscrew this. Pause it. Yeah, so this is the filter inside the handle, and I think because it's wet inside, there's liquid. I think it's probably already been primed, but I will read the instructions on the priming and do that first. So that's it. There's the pressure release button there. It should just screw onto here. And then I'll need to put in one of those valves from here. Now you got the foaming tip right there. And then you got your standard, this is what I'm probably going to be using, is that metal one.